Hello everyone, this is Hunter at Vapor Honing Technologies, and today we're going to be discussing how you can remove and prep for paint and powder coat with the vapor honing process. So vapor honing can remove any paint or any powder coat from a part. Typically what you'll have to do is you'll have to increase the aggressiveness of your abrasive. In this 3630 that we're going to use to remove the paint off of this part, we're using a silicon carbide, so it's super hard, it's angular, so it's going to cut through that stuff, and it will also prep the piece at the same time as you're blasting it, so you don't have to do a separate process. So essentially, before we get started, the question is, what is powder coat? So powder coat is more of a decorative coating that's put on typically metal surfaces. It's a dry process, so it's important to prep for a process like that or paint so that both of those materials adhere to the surface of your part. You're not just spraying it on a surface that's too smooth, causing runs, or getting improper bondage on the surface. It's going to be best to make sure that you have a profile there so that that powder coat and paint sticks to your surface. So after blasting, obviously we removed the paint. It was a little bit thicker. It took about 2 minutes to remove with that silicone carbide. Obviously you can see removed it very well. You have a surface profile on this so you can repaint it. If you were powder coating this, repowder coat it afterwards. Stay tuned, we're gonna do a part 2 to this video and talk about the dry blast process on the other side here and see which process is better for paint or powder coat removal and prep. Stay tuned, we'll be back.